Such a weird visual. What is up, my very laggy Sigmas? Today we're going mining!
Dude, you don't have to say that. Okay, dude, don't sit down,
It's time to go mining, except we're gonna join a random with no people.
If I sit down, my butt will just hurt a lot more. Okay,
Oh.
With no PvP on it, so let's go.
I am not going to sit down at
Tiny thumbs.
Wants to trade me for something rare. I might have something most of the time. Not that bad.
Ooh, free backpack! Yay!
Anybody have an RPG?
Okay, yes, there's nothing.
I don't.
Good. Hey.
Anybody have an RPGs?
Bravo, acha.
Who has something rare?
Let me capture him. What is this creature?
Who has something rare?
Kidnap him. Let's check what we've got in here.
I dare you to go in there. Go in there. I need to have you kidding, bro. In there, I got a flashlight.
Oh, 6 things out there. Okay. Wait, let me. Does anybody have different colored foods I can have?
Heck. Ah! I have a hook shot stuck to my hand. Help!
Does anybody have different colored foods I can have?
Guys, help! I have a hook shot stuck to my hand. I can't get it off. I have a hook shot stuck to my hand and I can't let go of it.
Stuff that might be
The button isn't working to let go. Let go. Get out of my hand. Shoo! Get out! Get out of my hand, bro.
Does anyone want to yearn for the
It's
monster?
stuck in my hand. Get off! I don't want this.
just said.
I can't even use it. This is the only useful one. This one's broken. I can't use it. What the heck is going on here, man?
Does anybody have different colored food I can have? Me, I'm pressed out.
Okay, let's go.
Wants to yearn for the mines.
Laser gun.
Wait, did you say pickaxe? I want to yearn for the mines. Back to the regular.
No.
Survive, yeah.
Oh, come on! No, my hook shot. Please say it's still
Does
on.
no one know how to
Yo, I
go
respawned
back
here. That's so goated.
where you start at?
Okay. Ball, and I already got this one. Oh. I didn't grab that, but sure, why not? Flashbang? Sure, why not? Got it. Alright, let's get on out of here. Oh gosh, no! Oh my gosh. No! Why? Why is it so powerful? I just wasted money. Does anyone own like normal pickaxes?
Do you have anything run to trade?
Not really, but do you own it? Do you own any just regular pickaxes? I need one. Okay, I don't even know the most expensive thing I own. I don't play this game a lot. Oh, thank you. Nice. It's a nice one too. Thank you.
What?
Yes, my hook shot. It's back. Yes, time to get the crappiest backpack I can afford, which is the only backpack I can buy.
Because I'm at the bottom. I'm coming up. Look where we are. Do you recognize?
Okay, hook shot's going back in. Could use this one. I just want it. Okay.
Yo, Red.
Do you really want these?
Yeah.
Red, look behind you. Red, walk backwards.
I yearn for the first 9, then crap, 9 back. We yearn, then we mine. Let's yearn. We mine, yeah?
yeah. Just
Aw.
get buddy.
Flashlight. Me, ogre, need flashlight. Cool.
No, buddy.
Give ogre flashlight.
Come on. Dang it, I dropped my
Alright, let's just get the glow stick.
Mom,
Oh yeah.
Mom, can you get a battery for my controller?
Whee! Okay. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you, Red. I'm gonna add you don't care right now.
So much just eliminates the place. Yeah, not too much. Does anyone want to go mining with me?
Yeah, I'll go mining.
Alright, I'm at the entrance of the mine.
It's okay for that to not Intel.
Where are you? I see you. I see you.
It's modern.
He's not in my. You're hurt.
Yo, bro, I'm here to mine, but let me just.
Turn around. Please spawn some nut shredders or nut shredders. What's your full? Guys, can you do me some?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you.
Yeah, it's full
Go,
enough.
follow me.
I hear the spider, I think.
If there's a moderator,
No, the spider is tapping sounds.
Here it is.
everyone come to.
Wait.
I'm going in here, guys. See ya.
I'm a moderator. I'm a mod.
Eh.
VIP.
Whoa, there's lava in this game? This is sick.
Join. Johnny. Okay, hello. Yo, where are you?
I went down.
I want to be in the YouTube video. I want to be in the YouTube. I want to be in the YouTube. Who's that mine?
So I got a shield if anyone wants one. Actually, never mind. I kind of want to keep it.
Bro. It's
Oh gosh.
it's
Okay.
Coda. Get back here, Coda.
Everyone! Everyone! Everybody, when there's rain, there's thunder. Come
No, bro, it's okay. It's okay. I killed Coda.
Is Coda
Where?
dead? I don't really play this game that much, so I have no clue what half of this stuff is. Like, why is everything flashing? Okay. Oh wait, I see a place over there. No, I fell! I fell and it feels worse down here.
No, guys, just go and kill the angular fish.
The angular fish?
Yeah, put those on him.
I'm right here. I was just mining. I was just yearning.
Oh, that thing's there.
Over here because the angular fish.
I don't know what that thing is, but it looks like a monster, and it's glitched.
Oh my, there's so many ores over here. Oh no, it's a good thing. Because I'm trying to get the front.
I got English. And I took the banana.
I'm not even joking.
Now I know what PvP. Holy crap!
Why is that thing in here? Oh, hooray! I lost my glow stick.
Dude.
Guys, come to spawn if you want to see me.
Ah, spider! Oh crap, I'm falling! Come on. Just give me this. Give me this and I'm out of here.
Teleport.
Do you think you could mine gold with gold? Get out of here. Oh gosh. Oh, come on. Help! Mining buddy!
come here!
Mining buddy! I'm getting the heck out of here. Oh, come on! I can't even get up, I'm stuck.
Wait! Where are you going?
I'm trying to get out of here, bro. There's too many monsters in here. I'm not risking losing all this stuff.
I can tell you where the exit is if you want me to.
Yes, please. I think it's up there, but I can't get to it.
So we're on this floor or down these? Whoa, over here! Purple diamonds.
Yeah, I'm already done with
Look,
mining.
oh my god, bro.
There it is, there it is, there it is. I just need to mine that. Oh.
You don't find that. I'm pretty sure that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. I'm pretty sure.
What do you mean?
Cause this is a different one. Cause someone had ooze. Never know. Cause you know there's one.
No, yo, guys, just go off this.
Keep doing it. You're gonna keep doing it over and over again.
I got money. I got pretty money, cause I went mining. I got gold and iron and copper and amethyst. I mine all day. I'm getting paid.
Play your death game. Who wants to hear play death game? Who here would like to play death game?
Stuff is making me so
You
heavy.
guys would like to play death game? Please go to computer and play the death game and go to computer.
See what I get? See what I get paid?
Yo, who here wants to play?
Yeah!
So it goes in.
Wait, do I need to go unlock it or something?
Where's my mining buddy? Are you my mining buddy?
Wait, how do you do it?
Oh, where's my mining buddy? Jeez!
If you guys would like to hear like
Ugh. Oh gosh. Okay. Get more skilled in the art of hook shots. Okay. Okay, get up. Get up. Get up. Okay. Let's see. Rations umbrella.
whoever answered this question will get free shiny.
And then my phone telling me to buy the umbrella so I can unlock the hook shot. No. Okay. Umbrella leads to... I don't see anything here. Dang it. I need to find something that I can actually afford. All this stuff is overpriced. Okay, fine.
Going to
I
the
want
main.
this stupid flare gun.
Stupid chicken is protecting a net. I'm gonna leave you.
Yo, Hulk Fist is next. I'm gonna die if I try to go over there. Yes. Okay, let's get out of here. This time, with my
Sorry,
life.
bro, you lost the minigame. I'm sorry.
That's scary, knowing that you said that it was a life and death mini game.
Okay, again. The next game will be beginning soon. The next game will be beginning. It's going front line.
Where are the prizes? What are the prizes? What are the
You're gonna
prizes?
have to play the fucking.
I'm gonna get the egg before you. Well, I got the
That's fine.
Bonnie! I'm coming for you, Wick.
Myself.
You have to get it away from to get the egg.
Who said they wanted to be the
Try again.
What do we mean?
She,
What's the B button? Doing the maze. The maze, okay? No. Who said they wanted to go mining?
Me, I'm waiting at the mining entrance.
Okay. And the monster will come and kill.
Hi there, pal. Okay,
Eliza!
let's go to Big Cave. Stick together. Okay, I hear the spider. I hear the spider. I hear the spider. I can't move. I can't move. I hear the spider. Go, go, go! Ah! Oof. Ah!
Wait, I'm down.
Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
Give me money.
Give me money. Yeah. Give me nuts, I guess. I don't think you can give me money.
Oh, hi. Oh. I got research points. I got a research point.
Let's go this way.
Give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
Money, 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 boy. Money, 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 money.
We took it.
Ooh, nuts too. Yo, there's a crate. It was a whoopee cushion.
Alright, here's your pickaxe. It does.
I thank you.
Welcome.
Ooh.
You heard that?
Yeah, I heard that. Ooh, iron.
You're saying you broke?
Yo, I just watched gold spawn in front of me.
Yeah, but I'm broke. I only have like one.
Yo, where'd you go?
I'm right
Yeah,
here.
real quick, on your watch, change to channel 8, okay? Okay, bro, something's happening at spawn, because something's lagging out the server bad.
Well, that's cool. Come on. Is your gamers glitchy?
Yeah, because something's happening at spawn. I still don't understand what that thing is. What the heck is that thing? Gotta change the channel.
Oh, yeah.
And then keep going until you get to 8. Okay, something's lagging out the server bad. Something's happening.
I'm
at
on
spawn.
it. I'm on it. I'm on it.
Something's happening up at spawn. Something's happening. Okay. I'm mining gold here so I can buy research points.
I'm on channel 8.
Okay. So this is just for us to talk, so that way we don't talk with anyone else.
Do you hear me?
Yeah, I do. It's so laggy I can barely even reach stuff. Ooh, crate.
Oh, come here. Come here.
Yo!
Come here.
Hold on, wait. I'm getting some big pieces of gold.
Come here. Come here.
Hold on.
See real quick.
Oh, I'm gonna be a little slower. Where are you? Yo, where are you?
Right here.
Right where? Out in the open? Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Okay.
Go up here
Wait, are we leaving?
and go.
Why are we leaving?
Yeah.
My backpack's getting too heavy, so I'm gonna put this in my backpack.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
No, I'm fine. Let's go. Where are we going?
Go to the go to the starting place. If you see a light, just jump,
there.
jump.
Oh, hold on. Okay, it'll take me a second to get up.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait.
Wait for me, I just fell all the way down.
I see you. I see you. I see you.
It's gonna take a little bit of time.
I
Wait!
wish they had climbable ropes, so that way they weren't just zip lines. I wish you could actually climb them.
I saw him buckle.
Yo, this is so laggy. I can barely move. That and also I'm heavy, but at the same time it's like laggy too. Okay, I see you.
Ah!
No.
I'm dead.
What? You died? I don't know how to leave. but I can hear a spider. Oh gosh, there's an anglerfish. Wait, do we get up there?
Yeah.
Okay. No!
Yeah.
Stop falling.
Daddy, daddy.
Come on, it fell. And I fell. I'm coming. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Don't fall, don't fall. Hold on, wait up.
Come on.
Wait up, I'm slow. I'm heavy. Okay, I see you. That sounded like horrifying. Like, oh my gosh. It echoed, so it just
Like
sounded
when I
like...
scream? When I scream?
Yeah. This way, this way, this way. We just gotta be careful not to encounter the spider, because then I'm stuck. Go, 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 go. Run, run, run. Go, 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 go. Grab some more.
Wait. Whoa.
Grab some more stuff on the way. What?
Come on. What the heck just happened?
Yo, heart gun, heart gun. I can use it to get back faster. Yes. Oh, yep. See, this is what I got the server.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Are you sure there's not working? Declan.
Put this in, put this in, put this in.
Somebody can? Alright.
Yo, put this in. I'm too heavy. I can't put it in. You might have to put it on your back, walk in there, take it off your back, and then get out.
You guys want me to spawn more? I'm
Yo, wait. Let me get out first. Let me get out first. What are you doing? You're gonna kill him.
I got a chicken. Chicken's hockey.
Yo! I'm kind of glad that people do this to servers. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna drop off my backpack.
Dude, Green, how much do you have? Green, how much do you have? Look. Dude, look how much I have, dude. Look at...
How much? I can't see.
Who wants this blue thing?
Yo, there's eggs too. Yo, there's eggs. I'm selling these. I'm selling the eggs. So, I'm keeping one egg just because I want it.
Can anyone give me a gold?
Egg RPG ammo. That's funny.
okay.
I need to put this in. This is too heavy. Egg, get put in. Let me put this thing in.
I have like a galaxy edge.
Okay, sell. Okay. Nothing is selling anymore, guys.
Like gold.
Guys, I think we broke the server. We can't sell anything else. I need to drop something off. I'm way too heavy. I know what it is that's making me be weighed down, but...
These are the best ever.
Oh wait, I got 100K! Yo, let's go! I have 250K!
Bruh, I have 600K, dude.
Guys, nothing is selling anymore. Nothing's working. Wait, did we get it working? Oh, it was the last one. I got it first try.
Oh, look, they're literally microscopic.
Wait.
Yeah, see, nothing's selling anymore. Maybe we have to, like... Please don't tell me in here.
Put the big ones in. Someone crashed me in! Someone crashed me! Someone crashed me! No!
I can see your hand. This is so morbid.
Don't put...
Hold on, wait. Let me throw this in. I'm too heavy to even fit in there.
Don't let my backpack!
That's all you do. We can't even sell anything.
Well, I have a box.
Dude, come on. This thing is broken.
Don't sell anything yet. My golden revolver's in there.
Oh yeah, take the golden revolver out. Yo, we physically can't sell anything. Like, we've been trying to sell, but nothing's working. I can't even press the buttons, he's so heavy.
As in a bag. A bag for spare keys.
Yeah, see? Look. Nothing's sold.
We broke the. Let's go to the other selling machine. Yay!
But I can't even get there because I'm so slow.
Let me show you. Let me show you. I don't have it. I don't have it.
Yeah, come on. I'll just throw it that way.
Yo, where'd you get that, man? Where'd you get
Oh,
that?
thank goodness.
A galaxy thing.
Spider.
Can you find me one? Can you find me a Yo, here you go.
Yo, how do you hold stuff with your heart gun? So I reach it all the way.
Yeah, just.
Oh, so this doesn't increase your weight. Is the selling machine up there working? Yes, it's working up there. Okay. Bro, let me in here. Bro, let me thing back in. Yo! Oh, this thing is so amazing. Ouch. Heart gun kind of sucks.
Rubber ducky. I'm great. What do you want to try? Rubber ducky. I have this.
Okay, I'm gonna die if I don't stop.
Ready? How about a snowball? Private. No, it's right here. It's right here. Yeah. Yo, he didn't mix it up. He didn't mix it up. Well, he kind of got scammed.
Of course, it was the last one I pressed. Huh? Wait, are we the only people left in the lobby?